Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you the working of my 8-inch speaker with an 80 rupees amplifier board. This one wire is going for power, one is for aux and one is for our speaker. So first of all, the aux will make bursting sound when we will just attach it. So after that we will on the speakers. It will just off the now I will just and guys you can see the volume is half, and when I will just level up the volume you can see. So here guys I have opened the box, and after opening the box you can see here I'll just take out this. So in this guys, for the first I will show you that from this filter capacitor you can see this. I'll just show you. From this filter capacitor one wire will go to the speaker. Here you can see it will go for the speaker. From this first from this sorry the first from the left leg of the filter capacitor one wire will go for power, and from the next this empty capacitor you will just see that from the which line the one circuit is going from. You can see here that this one line is going from this, and you have to just paste anywhere the circuit power, but you have to paste outside from this line so that it can get power. Then next comes for our aux. This aux I'll just show you. This aux, for this aux we have to just paste it in the registers. This is 1k register. This one I'll just show you. I'll just this one this 1k register. From this one from the 1k register and one from the small capacitor, any capacitor, these two wires. And guys I want to also tell you that only two wires are main and the aux, red and white. In any aux that is given three colors like yellow, red, blue, green, only red and white you have to take, because they only give the main source. And next is for our speaker. For our speaker one wire will go from this capacitor, any capacitor you can take this. I think so this is for it's 885 degrees Celsius capacitor. From one here will go from one, and one wire of this will go. And guys one more thing, from the aux like white wire, if the third wire is given in your aux, so you can just paste it with the white wire. You can just paste the that opposite color wire, that like red, green or blue, which is given in your aux. You can just paste it in this. So next comes for our speaker. For our speaker one wire will go from this filter capacitor only, which is from this red color wire. This will go from our filter capacitor only, from which the power is going. And one again from this you have to join the like the one power also was going here. From this side the power was going like 9. I will just telling you that from the outside of this line. So from this only we have to give one power to the speaker. So this was the uh, just a small wiring of this board. Now I'll just again join this, and I'll just once again show you the working of it. Here you can see guys my board is working.